Today, the topic of our presentation is safety issues on Chinese-made toys. Recently, toys made in China raise a hot safety concern all over the world. The quality of the toys is in question. One of the most serious incidents is the recalls from a major U.S. toy company, Mattel Incorporated. More than 1 million toys have been recalled worldwide since August this year. The facts on such action is based on the excessive level of lead prints found in the Chinese-made toys, according to the U.S. toy safety standards. However, a recent research report from the calendar indicated that the main cause of the recalls is due to the design flaw of Mattel instead of the lead print issue. Actually, about 80% of toys were recalled due to the design flaws of the small magnetic components, while only about 10% of them have a lead print problem. The incident shows that the safety problem of the Chinese exports has been over-exaggerated by the U.S. media and has been taken as an excuse of those U.S. companies in escaping the blame in their product design. In fact, the executive of Mattel did apologize to China for the issue and pledged to take responsibility. However, the recalls have already affected the reputation of Chinese-made products, and a head of the Chinese company involved committed suicide for the incident. Although the toy safety has been criticized by some countries, the reports of Asia Pacific Foundation of Canada stated that the quality of Chinese-made toys is not bad or even better comparing with the exports from other countries. The recall ratio of Chinese-made toys is in fact similar to that of other countries. The relatively high number of recalls can be attributed to the huge market share of China in the U.S. toy market. More importantly, most of the export toys are designed by other foreign companies, and Chinese manufacturers mainly take up the role of manufacturers. Most of the recalls in the previous years were actually due to design flaw instead of faults of the Chinese manufacturers. In this toy recall issue, we have to admit that there still exists a problem of quality in manufacturing. In order to avoid such problems, a series of quality control is a must. Firstly, each toy company should hold a valid permits on manufacturing and exports issued by the government as a proof of quality. This can ensure all the exported toys are certified and can meet the established quality standards. Secondly, regular inspections of the manufacturing companies are necessary. The products are sampled and examined. More frequent inspection can be carried out to those companies with poor quality control. Companies which cannot pass the quality check will not be allowed to export. Thirdly, to cope with the excessive level of lead prints used in the toys, strict control and record on the use of printing materials should be set up to avoid the use of illegal printing materials in the manufacturing process, which may affect the reputation of the industry. Besides, a systematic and hierarchical monitoring of the manufacturing process is a flexible solution to avoid any faults in processing. In addition to the recalls of the toys, different sectors in the U.S. are actively purchasing for further restriction on quality standards for the imported goods. While some of them admit that it is not cost-effective to do so, we believe that such acts are not solely for the health or environmental reasons, but aim at putting an even harder barrier to the Chinese-made products from flooding the U.S. market at a substantially low price. By any means, in order to satisfy those regulations, it is more important for the Chinese manufacturers to comply with the quality standard. That concludes our presentation. Thank you.